There we are. Morning, everybody. Frog Sonics here. Nothing I say is financial advice, entertainment purposes only. Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. You guys could please like the video. Make sure you sub if you want to join the chat. Share it out. We're going to cover a couple things. Mark has been busy. Everybody says he's up to no good. Oof. AMC, more downside. $3. Not looking good. See what APE does today, too. But lots of tweets going on. First, I want to go straight to Mark's tweets. Just click his profile. Yesterday, there was an outpouring of people who are extremely upset with Adam Aron, and like so, they should be, as basically everything he's done since December of 2021 has destroyed retail shareholders. Everything Adam Aron has done has destroyed his retail shareholders. And along the way, all the influencers, Cat Striker, Trey, Bigums, Blunts, Pete G, Rocket, all the influencers who are basically gatekeepers in the community have created this worship Adam Aron scenario, and it's been an absolute disaster. And now AMC is under $3 a share. So what more can we say? I mean, literally, what more can anybody say to this? Other than Adam Aron basically destroyed the retail shareholder investment base, specifically so that he could take care of his bondholders. Here's my tweet first. Mark already retweeted it, which I appreciate. This is when CEO Adam crushes retail investors. The @T0 plan was proven by case study in this situation to be effective. It was an overstock thing that worked. Everybody knows about overstock. I would love to see Adam Aron's emails for the month of December 2021. I'm confident he was actually the one that was told to stand down, which he passed on to Alder Lane Eggs. On this day, AMC started its downward fall to $3.15. 7 months later, AA created APE. NFTs are a superb idea, but not a one per share security token NFT dividend, as repeatedly described on Twitter. It is likely illegal. It's not. Breaches our debt covenants and or exposes AMC to huge litigation risks, which they're been exposed to huge litigation risks anyways with APE. We can't do it. Be aware of concepts that sound too easy and too good to be true. Well, it's not too easy and too good to be true. It's actually SEC approved and regulated on the T0 platform, where you can tokenize your stock and trade it publicly, which creates a one-to-one security token, which Overstock.com, Overstock the stock, used to expose naked short selling on its company back in 2020. Back in the early days of 2020, which is what sent Overstock from $1.70 to over $128, which I think this was reverse split, so it would have been even more, some $300. They did it. It was legal. And then when everything was done, guess what happened? They came back and they reversed that token and turned it back into common stock for its shareholders. AMC halted to the downside. This is ugly, man. This is not good for AMC. Folks are going to get absolutely wiped out. This is disgusting. So that's probably going to be a 5-minute halt. APE just putzing around too. We'll see what happens. It's pretty sick. Morning, Kevin. Sandy Smith, good morning, channel owner. Adam Aron screwed everyone. Yes, he did. Richie N, AMC halted. Al Gore's rhythm. Won't surprise me if Adam Aron disappears into hiding like the crypto queen did a few years ago. Oh, absolutely. Adam Aron will retire, in my opinion. AMC halted. AMC halted. Literally going to 2020 prices. I'm getting ready to probably actually start looking at AMC. This may be my $1.90 video I did, guys. I hate to say it, but that was a big one. That was a big video, actually. Let me go to it and let me find it. Right there, 6 months ago, AMC to $1.90. Mm. This is the worst case scenario that I decided to put up in a video. I created multiple scenarios for this situation. I was hoping for the best, but I prepared for the worst. Guys, if you get time, please go watch that video. It's something else, I'm telling you. We'll go back to the stock chart here now. APE down to $2, $1.98. Might start looking at buying more APE here. Still above my cost average. I'm now only up 20%. My intraday buying power is back. I'm going to wait just a little longer on APE. I might pull the trigger on some. APE. Buy. Quantity. I'm going to buy 200 right now. I'm going to save the rest for later. What is the price? $1.99? Just going to put it in for 2. Preview. Place. All right. Just bought 500 more APE. Or 200, I'm sorry. 200 more APE. Just tagged an APE order. I see exactly what big money's doing, guys. They're trying to psych every single person out. They're trying to kill the stock. They are trying to make people panic so that people just give up and bounce out of the play. I mean, it's getting to the point where you might even want to look at AMC now. Not yet. There's still an 80-cent gap between AMC and APE. Man, the puts would have been, stupid. I can't believe I wasn't. And I had been buying puts too on AMC a while back. If they bring APE to $2, hold on. I got to take this phone call. I'm going to mute just for a minute, guys. Okay, sorry about that, everybody. Very important things going on in the background. $1.98 APE, AMC halted downside. Man, if this thing goes to $1.90, I'm sticking with this. I'm not leaving the play. Right now, my thesis still has not creeped. I've planned for this. AMC at what? 430, 435 combined with APE. I've planned for this. I've prepared for it. I said that $1.90 is where shorts could potentially start covering because this is where they got trapped in the play back in 2020, right around this area. They were shorting it down. It was up for bankruptcy, and then boom, FOMO event kicks in. We run to 21. Robinhood fallout, market fallout, bing, bang, boom. So I'm staying in. I'm still comfortable. I'm still up over 20% on my APE. I'm going to put this video in the chat so you guys can watch this later too. All right, let me get to some comments. APE price drop seems like a way to ensure APE holders hold through conversion. That's when they delay will happen getting your stock in the market dumps. I don't think so. Spence, you remember when a mocked Schilt for real and said we've been robbed? Let's see. All right, hold on. I'm trying to catch up to the chat, guys. 280. Food. Yeah, AMC's getting crushed, man. It's this kind of the worst case scenario. I hate to say it, but it is. AMC's holding right around 2, though. We'll see. But, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, right before after hours Wednesday, I'm expecting this to make a reversal. Wednesday after hours is the last day before the reverse split and conversion. Please answer. What if they drop AMC to $1.50 and APE $1.50? I highly doubt APE will go to $1.50. What's going on with APE? Almost under $2. It's being dropped because AMC is tanking. It's the market. I don't know what to tell you. It's people either selling or shorting. Most likely on APE, it's shorting. Al from Boston spreading more FUD on Amazon buying AMC just now. Al is going to say anything he has to say to get viewers to his channel because he's making a lot of money off his channel. Can anyone in this play take a W? The Amazon buyout and all the buyout news, that come directly from me and Dade. Me and Dade have been talking about buyouts and mergers for a long time. Amazon, that first years ago, was what I thought was going to happen originally, and I think it was. But now I think that Antera Capital with their SPAC, which is Slam SPAC, they have to have the money off their books by the 25th. I could see something happening there. APE price drop seems like a way we were at that around Spence. Do you remember when A mocked Schilt for real? Yes. Cucamonga. How about AMC? Does it look attractive now? No, not yet. Not to me. APE is still cheaper than AMC. APE is still cheaper than AMC. 3D chess move was for retail. Yes, it was, Kevin, channel owner. They are going to kill these stocks. What would happen if everyone starts a boycott? Yeah, we talked about that the other day. We talked about it, that if this fails and Adam Aaron screws everybody, which it looks like he's doing, everybody starts an AMC boycott. But that might be what they want, man. They might want AMC to go bankrupt still. Hello, Spence. This is Adam Aaron. You are doing a great job. We are almost there. Keep up the great work. Ravenstown, you're literally... That doesn't make any sense. It's funny, though. Why buy APE when they are converging at the same price? Right now, they're not the same price. APE is cheaper. That's why you buy APE. Because APE will become AMC. Honda guys, you guys think it's retail that just said F it and gave up? There's a lot of retail people selling. There is. But this is institutions dumping their positions. So is volume an issue for anyone else? Is halting that long? Yeah, I was muted on the phone. I got a phone call. Why is APE dropping? Please answer. We already did that one. Scary tactics. Yeah, I'm staying in the play, guys. I'm not leaving my APE position. If shorts are going to cover, they're getting ready to cover soon. I'm telling you. When the stock price goes this low, this is getting to the lowest point in a period of over 2 years. If I was a short, I would be preparing to cover. And when they cover, it's going to be fast, in my opinion. I'm going to go ahead and tag some more APE right now at $1.94. I'm going to grab another 250. I'm buying lots. Every 5-cent drop, I'm going to look at buying another lot. I mean, you guys, think about it right now. AMC, who just had a profitable quarter, the combined stock price of its preferred and common is $440 right now, $430, $450. I mean, just really think about that. And we may have more drops tomorrow. I don't know. Let's see. What's APE at? $1.95. This is why I sold some APE at $2.40 and $2.30 last week. You guys seen me talk about it on my channel. So, bro, APE is not cheaper. Terrence Dixon. Yes, APE is cheaper. APE is 100% cheaper than AMC right now. I don't know what people don't get about that. I really don't. And it's preferred stock. So if anything does happen with bankruptcy, you may still have a chance to get out of this. Just RWK88 at Terrence Dixon. Just because the shills are buying 2 shares like Cat Striker doesn't reflect retail. Retail is selling. Yes, retail is definitely selling, Terrence Dixon. There are people in the community that are screaming they're still in the play for likes and engagement. And now, yes, retail has been dumping just as much as institutions have. But, like I said, right now is the time where I think they want everybody out of the play. Me personally, if I know retail is selling and people are dumping onto the play, to me, when people are fearful, that's when I buy. So I'm repositioning the sales I made last week into more APE. Spaces is having a decent little morning, so that's good. TMF is starting to tick back up. That's good. Let's go to the Twitter feed. Oh, yeah, people are just raving today. It's stuff like this. Yorkshire APE with a fake profile picture. Nothing in here that's even relevant to anything. It's just stupid memes and really, really low energy takes. And let's go to the very bottom of this guy's profile. These types of accounts, people listen to these types of accounts, and it's absolutely insane. It's absolutely insane. Let's see where this guy's profile started out. This guy claims to be an AMC ape, but is posting stuff about bonds and stuff and such. Oh, I wish there was an easier way to get to... Does anybody know an easier way to get to the bottom of a Twitter profile? This guy is just retweeting all this nonsense and then comes up into my feed and says, "You're a clown. You absolute clown. Sell up, shut up." It's not even worth responding to. But that's the type of stuff, the type of attacks I get from these fake accounts that claim to be investors. And I don't get it. Oh, it looks like Adam Aaron has just followed. Ooh, Mark's dropping emails. It looks like Adam Aaron has just followed Mark. Mark dropped an email to Adam Aaron. "You asked for evidence that you have expressed hostility." Adam Aaron to Mark Cohodes. This is from Adam Aaron. "How not to win friends and influence people. You asked for evidence that you express hostility. I'm not going to bother to track down more. But these in just the last 3 weeks are enough to take my point." Mark Cohodes tweeted, "AA is not for AA. AA is for AA. He could care less about shareholders." Mark Cohodes tweeted, "AA should walk the plank." Mark Cohodes tweeted that, "I am a blowhard with a capital B." Mark Cohodes retweeted that I out and out lied to every single shareholder. Mark Cohodes retweeted that I am, what, a worthless CEO. Thank you for all the support. Adam Aaron. Well, guess what, Adam Aaron? Where are we sitting today? Where are your retail shareholders sitting today except down 90% on their investment? So how was Mark wrong? Mark brought T0 to the table in a manner that could have absolutely been the greatest play in the history of the stock market. Saved AMC, let them raise cash, made the retail shareholders a ton of money, and won. But someone powerful, in my opinion, allegedly came to Adam Aron and said, you do this and you're done. I mean, it's absolutely insane. I'm not going to say anything about buying any AMC stock until tomorrow. I want to see where we go tomorrow, because right now 250 and 2 on the conversion is pretty disgusting. Pretty disgusting. So, but again, I'm staying in the play. I'm sticking to my game because I think something's coming. I mean, there's no way that everybody is selling APE and AMC in the conversion. It doesn't make any sense. It's not logical. Here is CEO Adam crying to Alder Lane Eggs, Mark Cohodes, about his feelings getting hurt when Adam Aron decided to not go with the T0 plan months later. Months prior. The T0 plan months prior. Now the checkmate ape play is being destroyed, being hammered into the ground. By the same shorts that Adam Aron bailed out. I mean, this is something else, guys. Oh, here we go. Oh, that's Gabe. That guy's stupid. Whatever his name is. All right, where are we at today? Where are we at? Yep. Well, now I'm only up 15% on my APE, so that kind of sucks. Maybe I should have took more profit at 240, but we'll see what happens. This is a chance, in my opinion, for people who sold their AMC at the higher price. If you still have cash, in my opinion, this is a chance to reposition into APE properly, because if they start short covering tomorrow and this thing flies through the roof, I'm talking AMC after hours, they decide to cover shorts tomorrow before the reverse split, it flies through the roof. Boom, APE prints back up, we go through the reverse split conversion, and it ends up being a good day. But it's pretty obvious what they're doing to everybody. I mean, this is disgusting. This is selling pressure, but there's also short pressure behind this. There is also a lot of short pressure behind this, which is crazy. But we've talked about this multiple times. That's why I'm not in any kind of panic mode. How much money do I have left? What else is going on in the market? We're hyper focusing on this. The whole market's done. Good God. What else is going on here? AMC's having an effect on the overall market. That's for sure. Yes, sir. Now the thing is, tomorrow, if shorts decide to cover, if this was all their little plan to just basically find their best position, say this, all the shorts stuck in the play, hey, we're going to destroy the stock a couple days before the reverse split, try to get as many AMC and APE shareholders out of the play as we can so that we have shares to locate. Then they cover through the reverse split after hours into the conversion. And then everybody who decided to leave absolutely loses their minds. So, I mean, that seems logical to me. All right. I'm going to buy, again, I'm getting back in. I'm going to buy some small AMC calls. Probably going to regret it, but whatever. The opportunity for something to happen here is buy to open. I'm just going to buy 20, call, expiration. I'm going to buy September 1st this time. And I'm going to buy for 3, limit price 19 cents. Yeah, okay, perfect. All right. I'm now in AMC calls for September 1st. Got them at 18 cents. If it tanks tomorrow again, whatever. It's halted on the upside, though. Maybe this is going to work. Maybe this works this time. Did it go through? Oh, it didn't go through. Come on. Go through. I'm going to go ahead and just put the limit for 20 cents. Maybe it'll trigger when it opens. As soon as I tried to buy call options, it freaking halted to the upside. What? Does not exceed my buying power now? Oh, it's because it already took up that. Well, we'll see if I get in. Man, 2 seconds earlier. 2 seconds earlier. Now that I tried to buy that and they halted on the upside, what does that tell you? That is garbage, man. It's like they know. They literally know. They know. Yep. You guys saw what just happened, man. I went in for $3 calls, hit the buy button, and they halted it as soon as I clicked the buy button. As soon as I clicked the buy button. Oh, man. Garbage. Let's sit here and wait for the halt. I think this is where we start coming back up a little bit here. I hate that. If this thing just opens up, gap up off this halt, I'm going to be pissed. Unhalt, you bastard. Halted for 5% upside. What the fuck? Oh, yeah. So there's different halt patterns because we're part of the Russell 1000. It's not just the NYSE halt triggers. So I bought 10 250 calls for next week and it halts. I got filled. Good for you, Cameron. If it makes sense, because why would they gone through all of this reverse split common stuff? Exactly. I bought a Sword Commander, dropping another 1K, all in. Cameron Stanley dropped 3K in APE under 2. Just got 250 calls. Way to go, Irvin. Where is the 5%? It probably hasn't even showed up yet on the chart, but it's probably triggered because they were in on getting ready to go. Hopefully my calls fill when this thing unhalts. I got a feeling it's not, though, because Fidelity blows. Fidelity sucks, man. I'm literally in my live stream right now talking about how shorts are preparing for their cover event, which was into everybody losing their minds on this downside. So hopefully we start reversing after hours Wednesday. I think we'll see big reversal. Oh, man. I'm in the live chat. I'm getting text messages. I'm buying friggin', or not buying, but I'm getting phone calls. It's crazy. Too risky to average up on my APE here. The pain train. That is a very good thought process, brother. Tim Tuna, buying puts on Meta. Oh God, I hate Meta. Meta. Where's Meta? Not yet. I'm going to wait and see if it hits 297. Anyways, I'm all locked up into this play anyways, so. I don't have Vortex. We can look at FINRA, but it's not very accurate. Honestly, I quit looking at both of those. It's fun to look at cost to borrow and stuff, but what's Market Beat saying? Short interest days to cover, 5.8. It's saying that from the previous month, a lot of short interest was covered, but that's not possible. Percentage of shares shorted, 26.54%. So AMC short interest is 26.54%, which is pretty wild. Okay, we're unhalted. Did I get filled? No, I didn't get filled. Damn bastards. Come on. Of course it's up another penny. No, it's not exceeding my maximum buying power, you freaking... It's... Now I got to cancel my position to go in. Dude, Fidelity is giving me so much trouble this week. It's insane. Now all my buying power is right where it was. Stupid. 20, call, expiration, September 1st, strike. You know what, we'll do... What are we at right now? We'll do 3 again. Right back to 19. Oh my God, bro. Preview. Yeah, it's really funny. What was that halt for? If it was 5%, if it truly was 5%, I don't know. All right, I'm sitting on these ones. I'm not getting out of these calls until this ARB's over. I got September 1st. I've got time. We'll see what actually happens with it. All right. So I got $3 AMC calls. We went into a halt on some upside. They halted a little bit of upside. Maybe someone actually covered and they decided to halt it so it didn't run, but we'll see what happens, guys. Ugh. Maybe I'll just stream all day. Comments. I'm trying to get to all your comments, guys. We have 257 people in the channel right now. I'm not used to this many people. To the people in the channel, if you want to talk in the chat, you have to sub. The sub is free. I don't charge people for it. But if you want to talk in the chat, you got to subscribe. Also, please, guys, hit the like button. It helps with the algos. It gets it out more into the public. Some of you have noticed you've been getting my alerts finally. It's because my channel's grown enough and I've been getting enough traffic where YouTube has thought it good enough where I can have my subscribers get their alerts. Solar 26K. My finger slipped and I bought 1,000 more shares. Hate when that happens. Your finger didn't slip. You literally went and bought more shares. It's... I bought a Sword Commander. LOL, I just want this play to be over for you. I want it to be over too. The only reason I'm still in it is because I wanted to help people. I've got money in it and I'll make money. I'm confident I'll make money, but... Peter, no or yes, we're all going to lose. No. A lot of people are going to lose. You can't break it down to all or none. What's up, Spence, bro? I hate Fidelity. Dude, I'm so tired of Fidelity. Their platform is so slow now. Halts for our protection. Channel owner, yes, stream all day. Jay, looks like you were right, Froggy. I'm not happy that I was right on this scenario. This is the worst case scenario because AMC common stockholders are getting crushed. These brokers, when the time comes to make major profit, has been my main concern all along. That's when the true crime comes. Apple Scub. CHPI, come get some Amex contract. Dimitri Jerzin. Like Adam is writing his own movie. It is. He is. Roderick Bennett. AMC is dead. AMC's been dead. It's been a zombie stock for a while. I bought a Sword Commander. You're about the best stream I've seen all year. Thank you very much, guys. I appreciate that. like, I try not to tell you guys what you want to hear. If I tell people what they want to hear, I would have 10, 50,000 viewers. But if I tell people what they want to hear, I'm misleading them. I'm not trying to do that here. Tiger Ethio, explain to me what will happen to the call option of AMC after the reverse split and conversion. So my $3 call option, the strike would now be $30. There you go. Dovidas. And sorry about the name, guys. I'm horrible at it. Will AMC go back to $8 again? I highly doubt that. Nate Jones, Spence, I appreciate you, bro. Wish I would have listened to you rather than all those YouTubers in the beginning of this play who misled us. Well, I thank you very much for that, dude. And I did the same thing, guys. At the beginning of the play, I was misled by a bunch of influencers. I was watching Trey. I was watching these other guys. And little by little, I kept going, oh, I was wrong again. Oh, I was wrong again. And I realized when Mark came on the scene that something was really wrong here. Spence, look at NVIDIA. Something crazy is going on. The whole market's dumping, guys. The whole market is dumping. NVIDIA is taking an absolute crap. Everything on my watch list except Meta is down. Well, Google, TMF's coming ticking back up a little bit. Maybe we're in for the TMF squeeze now. Maybe the market's dumping because the shorts are getting ready to cover on the treasuries. That would be something. All right, I'm going to hold the line here on my position. NVIDIA dropping, not too much is red. Keep up the great work. Thanks, Tiger. Taos of Latif, true story. I wish I found your channel sooner. You're an honest person. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate those comments because I have been under attack for years and years and years. So here we go. Ligma, to be fair, not throwing shit at you, Spence, because I think you make a good argument about wouldn't be in the mess if AMC investors just said yes to dilution 2 years ago. No. Adam Aaron was the one who pulled the dilution, pulled the cash raise off the table 2 years ago. He is on video admitting it. And I think he did it because he knew that this play would make his bondholders more money. But that's a good conversation to have right there. So thanks, Ligma, for that. Close that out. Ape did hit $1.90. This is ugly. I'm going to continue just to buy little ape lots, guys. I firmly believe what's going on here is this is them getting it as low as they possibly can to start their cover, in my opinion. Or somebody really does not want AMC to raise cash. This is obviously a coordinated attack on the stock. But Adam Aaron set it up for them to do it. If you look at the tape and you see who's messing with the stock, you're going to find out who this is. I'm going to wait for tomorrow to see any more ape. So, Patty Girl sold 2 lousy shares of Tesla to buy ape. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till tomorrow to make any more purchases. I want to see where this goes the rest of the day and relax and stream and just cover some news here and get through the tweets. Oh, this makes me feel better. Froggy Styles. Ape bounce coming. Money is still there. I totally agree. Me and Froggy agree on a lot. AMC was paused due to volatility. FOMO will kick in. FUD is flying. Honestly, I agree with that. I agree that a FOMO event is incoming. I do see people probably in full panic mode who are selling APE and AMC, but there's a lot of other investors that are going to come in at rock bottom, man. The people who held this AMC from 30 to 4 or what 250, man. I feel bad for you, but yeah, tomorrow, I believe tomorrow, Wednesday, we'll see buying pressure come back on APE, maybe a little AMC, but definitely APE, into the reverse split, into the conversion. Right now, the reverse split's looking like it'll be 25.50 on AMC, which means we open up at $25.50. We go through the day into conversion where APE at this price converts at $19.19, which would more than likely give us a stock price of just under 30. So definitely not what we had last week, but that still would put me up over 60% on the conversion. So, all right, let's see. I'm trying to get back to your comments, guys. APE bounced to 2 and they smoked it right back down. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I sold all my Apple and Tesla to buy AMC. What an idiot I am. I'm sorry, man. Jeff Mercer, it feels like $2 is the magic number for APE. Firedog, 1005. What's your thoughts on XRP and BRICS? I'm not following XRP, but the BRICS thing is very interesting. I think they're going to try as hard as they can to try to devalue the US dollar. Honestly, it's probably going to backfire, but they're creating an event. I think BRICS is this weekend, this Friday, but everything that's happening in the market right now is setting up for what people call the Black Swan event, in my opinion. News article on Moomoo yanked quickly regarding Amazon partnership with AMC. Bust out in progress. If Amazon does get a partnership with AMC, that's going to be something else. So, CM, do you have any links to that? Let me just see here. They always do that. They've done it multiple times. Ooh, Charles Payne said that. Oh, that was March 28th. I wouldn't be surprised if they did that. Somebody said Al from Boston put that up too, so we'll see. If Amazon partners with AMC at these rock bottom prices, this thing would fly off, just go insane, right? If Amazon ends up buying up all the stock. This is like the third time that's happened. I made videos a long time ago about the whole purpose of bankrupting AMC during the pandemic was so Amazon could buy it out. A long time ago. But this is the third or fourth article we've read that's dropped about Amazon buying AMC, and it never comes to fruition. But the fact that Amazon may have been looking to buy AMC around $1.90 before it squeezed to 21 means retail messed up that business plan. Now we're getting back close to those prices. CM, if you have that article or a link to anybody who screenshot it, please post it in the chat. Do you have any levels for APE? Let's see here. Let's do that. Let's get our charts fixed up. I hate to tell you guys this, but if APE doesn't hold, I mean, right now, honestly, APE looks like it could potentially go to $1.79. I don't think it will, honestly. I wouldn't see why that would make any logical sense in a conversion. I'm going to continue to watch it though. I mean, it's at $1.89 right now, so I've got more money coming in tomorrow. If Wednesday this thing comes down to $1.79, I'll buy a big lot first thing in the morning. Then I'll just go hang out for the day and wait. So if Amazon comes out tomorrow or the day before or the day after and actually buys AMC, this thing will rocket. But you can't believe that rumor because you literally can't believe that rumor because it's come out so many times. And when they cover how high can this go, I have no clue, Raul. Nobody does. Volatility. FOMO, I think we would see in the PM. PM was dead this morning. Yeah, everybody was freaking out this morning. Now APE and AMC is back down to prices that retail could literally come out, buy up the entire float again, and cause another January 27th incident. But everybody's so demoralized that it... AMC common stock was sitting at 25.25 about a month ago. It was yanked. Okay, BRICS started yesterday. Big days tomorrow. Yeah, that's what Froggy Styles was telling me yesterday. I'm not full up on what BRICS is. I understand what it is, but... What the hell is that noise? Let's see. BRICS leaders meet in South Africa as bloc weighs expansion. Leaders of BRICS nations, Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa are due to open a summit in Johannesburg on Tuesday where they will weigh expanding membership as some members push to forge the bloc into a counterweight of the West. Yeah. Okay, every time they do something like this where a bunch of countries try to get together and basically devalue the US dollar, it always backfires on them massively. But this is going to cause a big stir, you guys. This is a big event. BRICS bloc includes two of the world's biggest economies. I get why they're doing it. Because, you know, when the economies like America, the world's biggest economies like China and America, they kind of have a monopoly on every other economy in the world. So I get why they're doing it. But that's such a big task to undertake because all the countries that'll be joining BRICS have their own massive problems. And they tend to disagree a lot. Mike, you mean they stole a lot of money out of the stock? Yes. DCAD to 450, so terrible. BRICS Summit being held in Johannesburg, August 20. Yeah, it's the same day as AMC. Funny. Crazy how Adam Aaron has never bought AMC with his own money. Yeah, Adam Aaron has only ever been awarded AMC, I think, which I've seen, from what I've seen. ERC Tech. What the fuck you mean if the whole thing was to lower AMC's value so someone big can buy it? It's the game plan now. Honestly, it probably is. Al from Boston put it out there but couldn't confirm it. Al from Boston puts out a lot of stuff he couldn't confirm. The whole lawsuit thing, everybody piled into AMC because of all the lawsuit pushing they did on his channel. From day one on his channel, I came out and I said that the whole lawsuit was nothing but a big scam. And I'm kind of mad because I like Al. But what happened with him and Ethan and Daily Blend... Man, them guys got so many people hyped up on absolutely nothing that basically effectively just locked them into their AMC bags. It sucks. If you're panicking out there or feeling depression, guys, try to walk away and do something else. It is out of your control. For my fellow believers in Jesus, keep trusting, keep praying. Is right. I completely agree with you. If you are stressing out and you're not going to leave if you're not going to leave, but you're sitting here stressing out, go for a walk. Go walk your dog. Every time I walk away from the play, the stock price goes up. I swear to God. I swear to God. It's crazy how it works. Missed it? The X10 price is the price of AMC common after APE dies. Yuri Metz, good place to average down on my AMC I'm stuck with. Honestly, yeah. To be totally honest, yeah. I totally agree with that. Something smells here. Something is on the horizon. Big January 27th vibes hitting. Honestly, this is where if I was an AMC bag holder, I would be averaging down. I still would be buying APE. It's very cheap either way. HKD announced a 30 million repurchase. Whoa, HKD, huh? HKD is the biggest scam in history. Look at her go. HKD was basically a shell company that was set up to move money from China to America, in my opinion. That's why it's squeezed like crazy, because Executive Order 14032 restricted U.S. institutions from using any money they had in China as marginable collateral. So they basically created HKD and they made it squeeze, and they moved their money from China back to America or the Caymans. It was a huge scam. Huge scam. Adam Aaron orchestrated this entire event to crush retail. Yes, he did. Dev64, Met's good place to buy ape. Lion NYC, you are a con artist. Lion NYC 2023 now has the trophy for the stupidest comment in the chat for the day. Congratulations. Mike, AA is heading for a Bud Light moment. Dude, I'm telling you, man. This is true. Horton Spencer, is it okay to dislike you a bit just because I was wrong? Yes, it's okay. A lot of people dislike me. I'm not worried about who likes me or doesn't like me. I'm worried about helping people fix their bags. Saudi Arabia is going to be there. Are you talking about the BRICS convention? Now I'm interested. I'm short crypto. I hope they don't announce using XRP in the summit. What if BRICS came out and Musk showed up and they were like, yeah, we're going to use Dogecoin. Bro, imagine buying here 3 years ago then selling in the 60s. That's what I'm saying. We are now back at price ranges before January 21st. January 27th, 2020. I bet you Adam Aaron doesn't go on any tours anymore. I guarantee it. I bet you Adam Aaron does not do any more theater tours. He's probably going to retire after this, honestly. I still think that Slam Corp should have done some sideways merger with AMC so that the $500 million they have on their books doesn't go to waste. And then they could bring Alex Rodriguez in as the CEO of AMC. But in that, Slam Corp could have went out and put an offer in for Regal assets. I wish that would have happened, but it looks like the 25th is the last day for Slam Corp. We'll see. Maybe they did do it. Do shorts cover before the RS at the same prices? I don't know. I'm not the short, so I don't know. But I would assume they would want to start covering now. The problem is, here's the deal. Shorts used to be able to short companies down to nothing and never cover, right? It would just go off on the OTC at pennies, fractions of pennies, and nobody would ever care again. And shorts would buy up all the assets and make all this money. Now that shorts are under the gun, not short sellers per se, but big institutional, BlackRock, Apollo, these are plunderers, death spiral lending guys who like to destroy companies and chop them up and sell them. These guys are now under the microscope. So when they do this to a company like AMC, now they actually have to cover. For them to cover on a position is going to cost a lot of money. So they've got to get it down as low as possible. Revlon is a perfect example. Revlon got knocked down to $1.90. Then buyout rumors came, and then boom, 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 shorts covered, it ran up to $9. When shorts cover AMC, if they cover in the next 3 days, this thing will run back up now. It's not like back in the day with Toys R Us where they could literally short it into non-existence, never cover the shares, and then it goes through bankruptcy and everything's wiped clean. That's not going to happen with AMC here. Shorts will eventually have to cover. is this? AMC SSR is fake protection. It never worked. Is anyone even surprised? Death spiral lending shorts have to cover on AMC this time. They can't just short it to nothing, send it to the OTC, and bankrupt it. They can't. They literally cannot. This thing cannot be shorted to the event that it's just destroyed. They're going to have to cover. I'm honestly not even worried. I'm not even sweating. This is so funny. This is hilarious. Bum, 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 bum. Bro, this whole community is so demoralized. Saudi Arabia is going to be there. Spence, don't they have to cover the fake shares in the conversion? Well, if you're talking about FTDs, they should have been covering FTDs already. That's the thing. AMC, is AMC still on the threshold list? NYSE threshold. Let's see. AMC is still on the threshold list. And this is happening to the stock. It's happening to the stock because they're failing to deliver on everything. Oops. That's insane. This is insane. That this thing can be on the threshold list for so long and they're killing the stock. The market is completely broken. These are plunderers. This tweet will go good. Oh, wait. I always forget to paste what I snip. Bing. There we go. I'm pinning that one. Pin. Copy. Link. Here is the tweet for you guys. Bing. Ape down 13% now. Yeah, I'm just along for the ride now, guys. Sorry, this is just worst case scenario thing. I may actually get ready. I'm just gonna tag the rest of my sales right now. Tomorrow might be too late. I'm gonna or not sales but buys. I'm gonna go ahead and buy the last bit of ape that I can. Symbol ape. Buy order. I'm going to go ahead and buy another 500 shares. Oh, okay. No, my intraday buying power is down again. Dude, oh my God, I hate Fidelity. I have cash sitting in my account and I use margin, so my intraday buying power should be fine. Oh, it's so stupid. All right, I'm trying to get back to the comments, guys. Like I said, I never have this many people in my live, so. Okay. Oh, how Hart and Spencer. I don't dislike you, man. Just my lame attempt at a joke. I do wish I'd understood your thesis earlier. You taught a lot in short time. Yeah, my thesis is still saving people a ton of money. AMC is down way further than APE is down. AMC is down over, what, 40% in the last 2 days? And APE is still maintaining $1.86. I am still positive on my APE position. Not even near as much. I'm only up 14% now, but I'm still up on my APE position. I hope Froggy doesn't mind me reading his text, but he's talking about BRICS, and I'm listening to him on BRICS. He seems to have a good thing. Devaluation of the dollar by BRICS will make the market rip. I bet you this is a short killer event, margin calling the U.S. I totally agree, because if BRICS comes in and basically sets up and they all agree and they devalue the U.S. dollar, it could cause margin calls on the entire market. This could be a huge event, guys. I totally agree, man. The market is over leveraged to the max, and we've been talking about this for a long time. It's crazy. All right. FredX, a crime in time saves AAs behind. Oh, it rhymes. CS Irvin, it's okay for ad funds to make money and retail to lose, but not okay to enforce regulation. Absolutely. The regulators are an absolute waste of money. Bernie Madoff don't got shit on AA. I agree. That is funny, man. This is true, too. Andrea Gray, just a thought. Once it ResCon and issue dividend and is above $5 post conversion, it will also remove penny stock status, right? Once we reverse split, this thing will be nowhere near penny stock. First time caller, long time listener. Thanks, Mike. ESR Tech, FF Fidelity takes 7 days to clear a direct deposit. I've always seen them hold my buying power. No, but my money was already in there and my account's marginable over 25K, so I should have intraday buying power, no problem. Are you in the Army or are you out now? I am out of the Army. I got out back in 2009. When our country's politics flipped over. One, personal opinion, we should have never went to Iraq. I think we were there illegally, in my opinion. Two, when the politics changed over, it just got disgusting. Real rugged. What the F do all these tweets accomplish? What does your comment accomplish? Channel owner, AA gonna go into hiding. I hate how they set conversion for after reverse split, so it will dampen any momentum on the reverse split day because people will wait till after conversion to jump in, not wanting price to be diluted. Yeah, I think they should have did it the same day, but everybody who delayed APE from converting on March 15th is responsible for this right here. Channel owner has been hiding. Ryan, I don't believe this RS is going to go as planned like they want. I think something big is going to happen. I think a big macro market event is on the way. Evergrande should have caused margin calls in the U.S. Evergrande may have caused margin calls in the U.S., but the phase 6 crap helps prevent margin calls. Bigums is a fool. Phase 6 was never intended to margin call banks and big money. It was intended to protect them from margin calls in a flash crash like in 2008. They did that to me this morning. Mike, Evergrande shock was 2 years ago. Yep. And when they devalued on bonds, defaulted on bonds of borrowing, it's not even relevant today. They did. The big event was a couple years ago. +1 on Iraq. Sparky Buchta, yes. But CCP took it over. Breath of life. Yep. Jim Boy Genius. Morning Spence. Crazy stuff going on. It's insane what's going on right now. It's absolutely insane. So, let's hope we get some kind of rebound. Honestly, I'm at the point where I just want to go on with my day. I'm going to keep streaming for a little while longer, but I got a lot of texts and DMs coming in. Something big is happening market-wide. Something big is happening market-wide. And look at the bonds are starting to kick back up a little bit. So, APE. All right, we got a lot of tweets. Yep, this one's kicking already. I knew it would be. The fact that AMC is still on the threshold list and they're shorting the piss out of this is crazy. There's sales. There's people selling, but they're shorting the living piss out of this. Gotta say too, guys, Unreal Line Gaming, if you like Dragon Ball Z stuff, Unreal Line Gaming, follow him on YouTube and on Twitter. He covers all the DBS stuff. I'm a long time Dragon Ball Z fan since a kid, man. So, all right. And I am confront them directly when they do not say I am wrong, just either are silent or and do nothing, finally admit, but not many can admit that they went too far, no reason. Yeah, this is just crazy, guys. So honestly, y'all, I'm running out of stuff to talk about. There's no news hitting. I'm expecting news around midday. You guys see the stock prices. My thesis, I'm sticking to it, that I think APE is going to convert up in value. Still, to this day, I still think APE has a conversion value where it could come up. The only thing we got to watch for now is when this reverse splits on Thursday, are they going to attack this thing back down? That's what you got to really watch out for. But I still believe APE is the play. I'm sticking to it. I'm not leaving it. I bought more today. I actually got a discount on it because I sold some 500 shares a couple months ago. So let's get this Froggy tweet real quick. The BRICS currency is going to drop that dollar hard. Competition will hurt the power of the dollar. I bet the market runs up hard. Totally agree. And that's this week. That's the same. It's the same days that we're having our event on APE and AMC with the reverse split and conversion. So, anyways, guys. Oh wait, okay. Walt, man in the middle, $5. This is the product of us not being united and bashing on each other. Well, I'll tell you what, all the influencers who are gatekeepers like Cat Striker and them, they led everybody into worshiping a CEO. Thank you for the super chat, by the way. Well, I give my super chats out to the workers in the local community at places where, they really don't get tipped or nothing. So I got to make a couple Wendy's trips when these super chats come in next month. It takes about a month for them to hit my account. And then I already did $200 from Grandpa Barney and D's Easies. And I got to wait for that to hit my bank account. And then I'll take the next ones I got and I'll go out and I'll tip local workers at like Wendy's and stuff like that where they normally don't get tips. So really appreciate it, guys. Thanks, Ben. Cat, I love the stock. Yeah, I'm wondering if she's loving the stock right now because she's down over 90%. So all the, hey, don't fight with Adam Aaron, don't question Adam Aaron. We could have voted Adam Aaron out 2 years ago, put someone in that would have went with T0, but the community was divided because they wanted to worship Adam Aaron. The Adam Aaron worshipers are the reason why this stock is performing like this right now. So either way, guys, that's all I got for today. I'm going to come back on later if there's any big news. I really want to start talking more about BRICS. Maybe I'll do a space call later this evening and live stream it. Please hit the like button. I really appreciate you. Again, if any big news comes out, feel free to DM me on Twitter or drop it in the comments under this video. I'll pop back on. I'll do a short or I'll open up another live stream and we'll cover it. You guys teach me just as much as I teach you. So y'all take care. Go enjoy your day. Do not panic over your investment. As soon as you panic, you're going to lose control. When you lose control, you're going to lose money. So I'm keeping a head on my shoulders. I'm still in the APE play. This is what I'm doing. You guys take care. Froggy Stomachs out.